Hello friends, today we are going to see the scaling in two-dimensional transformation. In a scaling transformation, the object is transformed from one position to the another position, while transformation of the object, the size and shape of the object may be changed. That means it may be a compressed or it may be a enlarged. The transformation matrix for a scaling is a 2 by 2 transformation. So in which the diagonal entries are represented as a scaling and non-diagonal entries are by default 0, while the first diagonal entry represents the scaling in x coordinate, where the second diagonal entry represents as a scaling in y coordinate. Let's see some examples of a scaling transformation. First example, scaling in x coordinate by 3 units. So how to write the transformation matrix for the scaling in x coordinate? So it is a 2 by 2 matrix in which the first diagonal entry represents a scaling in x coordinate. There is a no scaling in y coordinate, so the second diagonal entry is by default 1, and obviously the non-diagonal entries are 0 0. So in that way we can write the scaling transformation matrix. Let's see some another example. Suppose there is a scaling in y coordinate by -2 unit. Then the transformation matrix is the first diagonal entry which represents the scaling in x coordinate is by default 1, as there is a no scaling in x coordinate, and the second diagonal entry is a -2 which represents the scaling in y coordinate by -2. One more example. Suppose there is a scaling in x and y coordinate by -3 and 4 units respectively. That means there is a scaling in x coordinate by -3 unit and y coordinate by 4 unit. Then its transformation matrix is -3 0 0 4. Now we will see the different transformations using the scaling. Suppose there is a triangle PQR which is scaled in x and y direction by 2 and -3 units respectively, where the point P, whose coordinates are 1 1, Q 3 1 and R 2 2. So this triangle PQR we want to scale using x and y direction by 2 and -2 and 3 units. Then what will be the transformed object or transformed triangle PQR? Let's see. So first we have to represent this triangle PQR in a matrix form as x is equal to, it is a column matrix PQR, where the point P represents the first row, Q is 3 1 as represented in a second row, and R is a 2 2. So this matrix X is nothing but the position matrix of the triangle PQR. Now let's see the geometrical interpretation of the triangle PQR. In the XY plane, suppose we have to plot the point P 1 1, then point Q 3 1 and point R 2 2. So we will get the triangle PQR on the XY plane. So this is the geometrically we represent the triangle PQR. Now to apply the transformation, scaling transformation on this triangle, first we have to write the transformation matrix of a scaling in x and y direction by 2 and 3 unit respectively. So it is a 2 by 2 transformation matrix. We have to write it as scaling in x coordinate by 2 unit and scaling in y coordinate by 3 unit. So the transformation matrix is 2 0 0 3. So mainly there are the two important matrices in this type of example. The first one is the position matrix, which represents the position of the object, and the second one is the transformation matrix, which we have to use it on the object. So x and t. So generally transformation matrix is denoted by t. Now we have to apply this transformation matrix T on this object X. So we will get the transformed object of triangle PQR. Now we have to apply the transformation matrix T on X. So we will get the formula to find out the transformed object, that X star is equal to X into T, where X star is the transformed object, X is the original object, and T is the transformation matrix. So the triangle PQR is transformed in a like this. So P will be transformed to the P star position, Q is transformed to the Q star position, and R is transformed to the R star position. So we get the transformed object P star Q star R star, triangle P star Q star R star. So what will be the coordinates of this P star Q star and R star? So we have to find it by using this formula. So X star is nothing but X into T. So where X is a 1 1 3 1 2 2, and the transformation matrix T as 2 0 0 3. So multiplying these two matrices by row column method, we will get the X star as 2 3 6 3 and 4 6, where 2 3 is the transformed point P, which is as P star, 6 3 is the transform point of Q, that is Q star, and 4 6 is the transform point of R, which is nothing but denoted by R star. So we will get the positions of the P star, Q star, R star as P star is nothing but 2 3, Q star is 6 3, and R star is 4 6. So like that we will get the position of the transformed object. So in that way we can scale the triangle PQR at P star, Q star, and R star position. Now let's see another example. Suppose we have to apply the uniform scaling on the rectangle ABCD by 2 units, where the vertices of a rectangle are A00, B20, C21, and D01. Then as usual, first we have to write this rectangle ABCD in a matrix form as matrix X is equal to the vertices of a rectangle ABCD in a column matrix, where A is 0 0, B 20, C 21, and D 01. Let's see the geometrical interpretation of this rectangle ABCD. So consider the xy plane. On that xy plane we have to plot the point A 0 0, B 20, C 21, and D 01. So we'll get the rectangle ABCD on the xy plane. Now we have to apply the uniform scaling transformation on this rectangle ABCD. So what is meant by the uniform scaling transformation? So uniform means same. So that means there is the same unit of transformation we have to take in X and Y direction. That means uniform scaling transformation. So the transformation matrix for the uniform scaling is 2 0 0 2. That means scaling in X coordinate by 2 unit as well as scaling in Y coordinate by 2 unit. So like that we will get the uniform scaling transformation. Now we have to apply this T on the rectangle ABCD, that means on the matrix X. So for that we have the formula X star is equal to X into T. So the point A will be transformed to the A star, B will be transformed to the B star position, C is transformed to the C star position, and D is transformed to the D star position. So what are the coordinates of these points A star, B star, C star, and D star that we are going to calculate by using the formula X star is equal to X into T. So where X star is equal to X, the matrix X is equal to 0 0, 2 0, 2 1, 0 1, and T is equal to 2 0, 0 2. Now taking a multiplication of these two matrices by row by column method, we will get the matrix X star becomes, the first row is 0 0, second row 4 0, third row 4 2, and the fourth row 0 2. That means 0 0 are the coordinates of the transform point A star, 4 0 are the coordinates of the transform point B star, and 4 2 are the coordinates of the point C star, and 0 2 is the coordinate of the transform point D star. So likewise we'll get the positions of the A star, B star, C star, and D star. That A star is nothing but 0 0, B star is 4 0, C star is 4 2, and D star is 0 2. That means if you apply the scaling, uniform scaling on this rectangle ABCD by 2 unit, we will get the transformed rectangle A star, B star, C star. Okay, thank you. Please like, comment and subscribe this channel.